Friends, today I am going to discuss about the various parts of computer. Actually, a computer is a combination of some software and hardware device. Without software, a computer is just an electronic device. After installing the operating software and application software, we can run our computer. So before operating a computer, we should know the various parts of computer. Okay, let us start. Welcome to my channel GNYCSM. Now the first device I am showing you, monitor. What is monitor? It is an output device that display information in a pictorial or text format. It is usually comprises with the visual display also. Monitor, there are very kind of monitor, CRT monitor, LCD monitor, LED monitor. CRT means cathode radiation tube, LCD means liquid crystal display, and LED light emitting display. So this is the output. This is an output device where we can see our program. Okay, the next is keyboard. Keyboard is an input device used to enter character and following into the computer system by pressing button or key. It includes a set of functional key on the top function, just F1 to F12. It is called functional key. And here you see the right side on the keyboard, that is called navigation, that is called numeric key, numeric 1, 2, 3, numeric key. And there are also, you see, this arrow key, that is called navigation key. We will discuss about keyboard after our next class, because keyboard is a vast concept. So the next device is mouse. Mouse is also an input device. It is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to surface. This motion is typically transmitted into the monitor, into the motion of the pointer on the display. It allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface of a computer. So monitor is very important device. It is an also input device. Mind it, monitor is an input. Keyboard is an input device. Next is CPU. CPU means central processing unit. Actually, CPU is a total concept. There are lot of parts in the CPU. Here you see the cabinet. This is the cabinet, and there is SMPS, motherboard, hard disk, processor. We will discuss about the CPU briefly in the next class. Now I am telling you just the outside of CPU. CPU means the central processing unit. CPU, how it function? So CPU actually, it is an integrated electronic circuit, performs the calculate that run a computer. How it perform? A processor perform arithmetical, logical, input, output, and other basic instruction that are passed from a operating system. Most other processor are dependent on the operation of a process. So this is the basic. This is the main components of computer. We will discuss briefly about CPU next time. If you understand, or if you if you want to know the vast knowledge of about CPU, please follow my next class. I'll discuss the briefly about the CPU. Okay, let's go today.